Hi guys, today I'm going to do a little demo on the Canon 7D, and today I'm going to talk about focus points and how to control those focus points on an old camera like this, and to get the best possible pictures that you possibly can. Okay, please follow and share and be a member for the channel, really helps me out. And to make more content. And please do comment, whether it's negative or positive. I don't mind. If I make mistakes in videos, please do correct me. I appreciate any comments that come my way. Anything, you know, to help the channel, for it to grow and to build a nice good community of people that follow this channel is mostly appreciative. So I'm going to go straight to the menu. Okay, so I'm going to go to the camera, and I'm going to go to, I'm going to switch the camera on. So I'll switch it on. And I'm in photographic mode at the moment, so I'm going to click on the Q button. And obviously focusing is a very important thing about photography and filming. So I'm in AV mode at the moment, which is you've got aperture shutter mode. So I'm going to click on the Q button, and I've got my little toggle here, and I'm going to take that to manual select autofocus point expansion mode. Okay, in a big nutshell of words. Now, why is focusing so important? Well, for you, focusing is important because you want crisp quality photographs and film. You want to be sharp in your videos for your Instagram and your TikTok and your YouTube. You don't want to be blurry. You want to be looking your dapper do in all your videos. Sorry about my colonial accent, but I am from a city, and I do like to speak in a specific way, very British way, if you mind the pun. So to get your focus, click on your Q button, and I'm going to click set, and in here is your focus points. So if you pivot with your toggle like this, you can go and select where within the frame you would like to focus your picture. Once you've selected it, you click on set. It will turn into a darker blue, and then that is set now for you to be able to focus into that point. Again, if I click on that again, you can see it's a lighter blue. And if I pivot this around, I can select a specific location, and you can also do this in the viewfinder by clicking on this button. Select this, and it will turn a darker blue, and that means that area is the area where the camera will focus its focus points to get that crisp, sharp image that you are looking for. Okay, so again, click on Q. Click on set. If you use this dial up, if you use this dial above here, you can also pivot it like this, and you can also pivot it like this as well, and you can also do this as well. Okay, so there's a number of ways of doing it to get your sharpest mode, to get the sharpest focus points that you need. Okay, you can also, once you've gone to this area, if you select this icon and then pivot this, you can select different focus points like this. So if I select, say, this one, click again, I can select this. If I now go back to select this wheel and select this manual zonal focus point, I can select a different way of focusing. And again, I can pivot it around like this and select the space I want to focus, click on the set button, and it will select that point. So when you're on location, you got to do this dead quick. So you got to go in here, and you got to select the area you want. You got to click on that, and then take your picture very quickly by holding the trigger point to get that picture in focus. This takes a little bit of practice, in my opinion. So you do need to go to your menu mode, go to this, and really sort of kind of play around with this until you get what you want. Okay, you can actually go to this wheel here, so this manual focus wheel here, and then select the focus point you want like this. So when you get used to the camera, especially Canon cameras, you get used to how the focusing works, you can sort of select it and then select your focus points. Now this has got also an auto 19 focus point, so that will basically select anything within this frame, or anything within this space. Okay, anything within this space, it will focus. Okay, and there you go. So I've taken a picture. There's no card, and it will focus and take that picture within that autofocus point. That's quite useful sometimes when you're in a rush and you're really hurried to take pictures, and you look through your viewfinder, you put it in manual auto mode, and it will select certain points within the frame automatically to take that picture. It's only got 19 focus points. It's an old camera. Don't expect it to have more than 50 or 20, but in my opinion, even 19 is very useful. It depends how you use it, how well you use it, to get those really sharp quality images that you are looking for your Instagram and your TikTok and your social media and your blogs and you're selling your products, etc. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching this video. Any comments, please do post, and I'm happy to comment.